Mac a diamond just outside enjoying Jamaica, river rafting, good vibes, and just living life. Sometimes it's not even about the music, it's about the lifestyle too. Like subscribe on Sonic Snap.
So guys, I am supposed to be here going on the rafting, and I don't know, but am I gonna get rubbed down? I'm going down on this raft today with the beautiful Mel. Look at her, sexy Mel going down. But guys, I heard about this rafting, and I heard that they rub you down. Am I gonna get rubbed down today? I'm gonna ask one of these guys. My towel. Let me fix my towel. Let me fix my towel. Oh my God! Hold on a minute, baby. Just fix it. Just want to fix it kind of that it's not uncomfortable in my hand. The towel.
Let it go.
So guys, I am here. Am I gonna get rubbed down? That they said rub down?
Everything.
The rub down, like these guys are gonna feel me up? That's what's gonna happen? They said? Hear them laughing. What is it? I mean, I saw it on the internet.
Yes.
Eh?
Make a fresh CM here, keep it fresh.
I see it on the internet that you guys rub everybody bottom and all these things. That's what I'm gonna get now?
Keep it fresh.
Keep me fresh.
Dry, yeah.
Oh my God. So guys, I'm gonna be on one of these rafts. So if you see I don't come back, you know what caused it. The rub down. The rub down. Where's that? The rub down? The rub. Oh my God. Alright guys, I'm gonna go off now. Oh my God. I don't mean say. I am on my raft now. Oh my God. So, what is it? 1 hour?
You ready for me, baby?
Look at her! There's gonna be some fun here. I'm prepared for this fun. I haven't done something crazy like this in a long while. So guys, yes, I'm going rafting. See you later. So guys, after going down the raft, getting my massage, my hat fell in the water, but I didn't care because I'm already happy. I just pull my belly.
Alright, you know. Go on the phone, man. I tell you, man. Left this.
Guys, I'm saying this is the rafting massage. Where the man of my first when the girl and get rubbed. So let me see what going on. Belly, my belly. So now going back up is rough. He has to pull me up. But going down was easy. But going up, he has to pull me up. I don't know if it's because my pum pum weighty, but he's struggling a bit. I can see that my fluffy fluff is a little bit weighty, and he can pull me up. My fluffy fluff weighs 100 pounds. But those are people coming down. It's beautiful here. It's beautiful. I'm loving it. Oh my word. This is something I will do again. Yeah. Legend. Tootsie's gonna love this. Tootie's gonna love this. Toots, look at that. That's legend.